Welcome back to my channel. I'm HenKibou. This is a video of me making handmade notebooks. Unfortunately, I cannot make notebooks that often. Today, I'm going to make geometric black triangular notebook part 1. I'm using wagashi tape to shape the triangles so that I can color the inner triangles with the color pencil. Please enjoy. I mentioned earlier in the video about not being able to make handmade notebooks often. I will explain to you guys why I can or don't. As you guys can see, I'm coloring the inner triangle with the smallest length of the color pencils. Since I don't like wasting color pencils, I'm planning to use them until it's no longer usable. That's why I'm planning to get a small length of color pencil before I make another notebook. I don't want to make notebooks without any permanent usage. The smaller length color pencils are very difficult to work with. But it's easier to use when it's just coloring the entire paper or like this in the video. But it cannot be used for details. I will show you guys what I mean by this the next time. I'm carefully taking off the tapes after I'm done coloring the inner triangle.